After tightening, this connector is connected to another connector of the electronic gun. Notice that there is a concave one and a convex one here. Just plug it in here, and it's connected. Let's connect the other side of the hose. We can see our pump has this. When it leaves the factory, all this is blocked. Our pump is normally, if there are 3 hoses. Then if we connect one hose, these 2 don't have. Then we have to loosen this nut. This is aligned with the hose interface. Gently rotate by hand. Find the right location. Spin it in. If it's not aligned correctly, it won't be able to twist in. In this case, you can almost twist it to the bottom. Then we use a number 19 wrench to tighten this. After locking it, pay attention to this. There is a black protrusion facing upwards. Or you can simply turn the KQ logo upwards. Plug it in. To insert to the bottom, the buckle needs to be fastened.